G'day all! So, today we're going to be looking over some simple probability questions and a very classic example of using sort of cards. So, with these, a card is drawn at random from a well-shuffled pack of 52 cards. So just remember, our normal pack of cards has 52. Okay, so just remember that you do have 4 suits. You have hearts, you have diamonds, you have clubs, and you have spades. And each of these have 13 cards. And they go from ace, which is 1, all the way up to king. Okay, so here a card is drawn at random from a well-shuffled pack of 52 cards. Find the probability that the card is. So first one, less than 10. So you can do this by counting up all the cards that are less than 10, but just remember we have 4 even amounts of suits, so whatever it is in one suit, it's going to be the same in each one of those other suits. So each suit has 13 cards, and that's our total there, and under it is how many that are under 10. So we've got 9 cards here that are under 10. So I'm just going to do it the longer way now, where we work it all out. So each suit has 9 cards under 10, and we times that by 4 because there's 4 suits. Alright? And then our total amount of cards is 52. So here, 9 times 4, that's 36, over 52. And then you'll notice both of these go into 4, so we just take out our common factor of 4, and that leaves us back with 9 out of 13. So just remember, a lot of these, when you can just work out within the suit for these types of questions here, if it's less than 10, something that is even to all suits there. Okay? So here, B, looking at this second one, something that is less than or equal to 10. Okay? So just use your answer from the last one. We've got one more card here. So here we've got one more card that we're looking at. So this one is then 10 out of 13 of every suit. Okay? Yet again, I'll show you if you want to do it the long way. So you would have 10 cards that are 10 or lower, times that by 4, all over 52. Okay? That gives 40 over 52, and then you take out your common factor of 4, and that leaves 10 over 13 again. Okay, so that's the longer way of doing it, breaking it down. So see here, look that something is an even number. Okay, so yet again we've got the same thing for each suit. Alright, just remember we go from ace, which is 1, up to 10. Okay, they're all the numbers in our deck. We also have jacks, queens, and kings, but these aren't numbers, so we don't need to worry about them. Okay, so you don't need to worry about these ones because they're not numbers. So each suit's got the exact same numbers in it, so we're just going to work it out for one suit, and that will be our probability. So how many even numbers between 1 and 10? Well, we have 2, we have 4, we have 6, we have 8, and we have 10. So that's 5 different numbers. And our how many cards in each suit? We have 13. Okay, sorry, that one isn't very good there. So we have 13. So this is going to equal 5 over 13. Okay. So lastly, we have how many is going to be an ace. So you can break this up again. There's 4 aces in the deck, and there's 52 cards in the whole deck. So just remember, it's how many possible outcomes over the total amount of outcomes. Okay, so yet again, 4 goes into both of these, and this simplifies down to 1 over 13. Okay, so just remember with this that it's how many possible outcomes to meet that scenario on the top, and then on the bottom is the total amount of outcomes, and then if you can just simplify. That's all there really is to this probability. So good luck with that.